tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Bob Marley said that the truth is everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the one worth suffering for.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going on.
This is a message. It talks about love and friendship. Bob Marley meant that people are the same. And he meant that at one point everybody do make mistakes in life. So if you hope to choose a lover or a friend, it's good to choose those of good character and those that will not hurt you. But it's also worth remembering that it is not 100% that at one point nothing will happen but between you. At one point you will disagree, and at a certain point, a friend or a relative or the person you love may end up making a mistake to you. Just like you too can also make a mistake with a friend or relative. So, as you go into friendship or love, remember that everyone is going to hurt you, so find the one worth suffering for. Thank you.